Our goal is a motion planner for assembling magnetic modular cubes. These modules are cube-shaped, with magnets embedded in the faces. Changing a global magnetic field can make the cubes rotate in place or pivot walk. At left is one hardware trial. At right is our simulator that began in the same initial configuration. Due to stochastic effects, the simulator tends to diverge from the hardware and is best for short time horizons.
Here we have 2 blue and 2 red cubes. The objective is to assemble into the L shape shown in the upper right. To achieve this goal, the planner constructs a graph consisting of polyomino sets as nodes and connects cube pairs that should create these sets in the workspace. The local planner attempts to connect S7 to S6 with success. Trying to connect S6 to S2 results in failure due to unusable subassembly. Connecting S6 to S3 also fails. Now we fall back to the initial configuration because there are no options left. Connecting S7 to S5 gives success. Connecting S5 to S1 is also successful. The local plan connects S1 to ST, choosing to pivot walk to the bottom boundary, and the target is assembled.
Here is a larger example with 12 cubes of red and blue type in the workspace. The objective is to assemble into the A shape shown in the upper right. The planning process took 43 seconds to compute. A local plan connects 2 cubes together. The 2 cubes to be connected are marked with yellow. The local plans are concatenated by the global planner. At the end of each local plan, the number of polyominoes decreases by at least 1. While connecting the 2 cubes at center, the local planner generated the 3-cube column at bottom left. This shortened the plan length, so the full assembly only required 10 local plans. Our paper analyzes how structure size and shape affect planning time. This video shows the result produced by the global planner. It is not the planning process itself, which took 43 seconds to compute.